put in units and then become a little one. But I'm not sure if you can go to the same place and pay like oh, so it doesn't matter. Okay, then doesn't matter. I think then I think when you start the game you can come here direct. But I'm not sure about that.
Shall we begin?
So now you have a triangle on the belt. So you can use every time you go there. You use 10,000, or you can come from the other side. Okay, so first you use when you're doing it like this. Just you have to press on it. It says overall. Okay, then you press on it, and then you press on units, and then you press OK. But you have to change it before you press back, and then again. Then you have to wait a little bit, and then you have to press again like this. So let's say you forgot to how to call it. I will show you what's happened. Okay, so we come here again. So I want to know oh, I can fly or something. So then you can I think we need DF. can also use this one, then you can do a lot of damage. But most people don't use it because they want okay, I will show you guys this only you can only buy it Tuesday and Thursday, but then you need like 1 million, zero money, and I don't have that. Eens kijken, let me check. Okay, oh, I have a heart. Okay, I have this one. But let me check it. Let me check. Maybe this one is good. Nope. Let me check with this one. Oh, it's the same crap. Okay, we're going back. So let's say you come back, you press on it, press, and then you press back. And you press again, and then when you see nothing happen, then you have to click it again. So you do it like this. You can also click unit back, and you can click it again, and then click again, then it's done. You can go back. You have to pay the 50k, no, 50k, 10k again. I don't get why I can fly. But let's say you use the, I think this no, that's the wrong one. If you use the main unit, let me check, this is the main unit. This is not the main unit, but the other one. You level up faster. I think. Or this one without poison, XP poison. See? Let's use this one. 200, baby. Taking my share. Oh, wait a second. Oh, yeah, this one is still so then we have like this one. You take this one back and zip it. Go back. Put the unit in, okay? Go back. So this is the reason why I did not level up 111. If you level up like this, so like 190, you can level everything the same thing. So I'm gonna kill a lot of, and after this I will show you something else. I used to hide myself, man. People were trying to kill you all the time, that kind of stuff. No, original game, man. It was crazy, man. It was crazy times. People will camp on the port, space port. When you jump in, boom, you're dead. Or when you teleport in, they will kill you. Okay, let's get some. So right now I'm not using the poison. Oh yes, I need this one too. Let's see if this one's good. So right now I have like 1 million of this, of the pinky or purple thing. You need a lot of money, a lot of money and purple brain. Okay, then take this one. Almost done. So then we come back. Oh no, we don't have to come back, we can just jump. We come back. So you have to be in the market to do this thing. The market is this place. So you stand here or somewhere else and you press the R plus D center. Okay, then you press this one. Then this one is your mode. So now you can put in one in the rest of this. You can also press this one. This just you pay money and then it's done. But if you have it, why use it? So this one you can 12. You can complete it for 12 times. So do this, and with this you get more XP. So when you're like level 90, 190, you can maybe do this and you get XP from it. This one will also help you level up faster. Okay, we're gonna do 2 of them.
Let's begin now.
One more. Booyah! You see? Now it's 78%. So now I think we're gonna get a little bit faster. Go back. Almost done. This one unit in it. So let's check the model. See, this one is 92.86 and the other one is 78.57 and this one is 85.71, and you have 6 left. This have 5 left and this has also 6 left. So we're gonna do like we're gonna do this first. No, we can't, we are low. When you're low you can do the cap. You have to level up first before you can do it. So I'm here, I'm gonna pay the money.
Let's begin now.
Boom. Because I'm getting more XP for the overall. So we're going back. Okay. And this time I'm gonna do the cap. This one is the cap anyway. So if we want to do the cap, go inside. Now you put it in. Oh yes, and I forgot. So I have to wait like 10 minutes. I'm back. And then this one I have to do 10 minutes. So we're going here. So this one is 70. Okay, I will show you the, oh no, where. The more you do the overall, the more XP you get and the more stronger you get. And the blue thing will also change. Every time you do overall, it will change, and sometimes. Okay. I think this one What's it? So 60. And I'm 90. Boom. 121. I'm 90. 190. If they come. Yeah. Oh yeah, damn it. I forgot something.
Oh, for sure.